Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and I'm excited because this is the continuation video from my first retie. And you guys know I retied my hair first. This is unconventional, but I am going to braid and band, then wash my hair after my retie. Most people don't do this, but I'm doing it today. But first, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video, and like and share. Help your girl out, do all the things, and I love you and I thank you for being here. I'm looking at the retie and I feel like I did a good job. I did the 3-point rotation, and when I got towards the front, I did the 2-point rotation. But when my second retie comes along, I think I'm going to go to the 4-point rotation. But enough of that. Let's talk about braiding and banding. And a lot of people ask, why should people braid and band locks? They don't understand it, and some say they never did it. And the best way that I can explain it is to minimize damage and repairs. It prevents unraveling and breakage and slippage and bunching. All of that stuff that you don't want to happen to your hair while it's in the water, because mainly it happens in the water. If you work out a lot or if you sweat a lot, it can thin your hair. So the best thing to do is braid and band. And when I read that, I said, oh, you don't have to tell me twice. You will never have to tell me twice to take care of my hair. You ain't got to worry about me. But anyway, so here I am demonstrating how I braid and band, and this is just how I do it. This is my first time doing it, y'all. So as time goes on, I will get better. I will know more. I will learn my hair. This is my first time ever wearing my hair like this. So give me time to learn these locks on my head. So here I am on my second braid. I'm going to do 5 or 6 sections. And that hand movement I'm doing right there is making sure that my hair can fit. I'm making the braid loose enough to fit my hand up in there, because that's how I'm going to get the shampoo inside of that section of my hair. So you want to loose enough to fit your hand in to shampoo, but tight enough so that it won't loosen during the shampoo and your hair can stay protected. Then I'm going to take an elastic band, because they're so easy to break. And I'm going to place that at the end of each section. So just make sure that you know how many you want. I did 5 right here, but I'm thinking next time I'll do about 7, just for a better drying time. That's all. So here is how I am applying the elastic band, but next time I'll go down even further. I'll braid all the way down, but looser. Because with my hair texture, braiding, it really stays. Like, I feel like my locks are going to lock really well because I have a thick hair texture that wants to lock, especially the back of my head. It always wants to lock up. All right, so we're here. I'm finished, and I'm doing thumbnails, don't mind me. And then I'm about to hop in the shower. I'm so excited for this new journey, y'all. I can't wait to just get in the shower and not worry about detangling my hair. Woo! Okay, so I'm done. This is how it looks. I'm going to show you the products that I use. I know y'all need to realize that you always have to do 2 shampoos, 1 clarifying and then 1 moisturizing for me, because my hair needs moisture. I don't care what y'all say. And then I did the cure from Amika. Oh my God, chef's kiss. I could feel my hair just, probably don't want to say this about locks, but I felt it soften up. Okay, I felt it just feel so soft, and it just felt great in my hands. So now I thought I was going to, some girl on my TikTok asked me to give her my Rev Air, because I said I was going to throw away all my tools, my hot tools and my blow dryers. But if you're watching this, I am so sorry. I know you asked me and I said I'll let you know. I'll see if I don't use it anymore or if I'll give it away to one of my family members, but now I see that it really comes in handy for locks as well. Sydney doesn't use them on her locks, but I'm glad I kept it because it's really working on my locks. And here my locks were soaking wet, y'all. They were soaking wet, so I'm not fully drying them. It was just a lot of water and I just wanted to take some of it off. And the Red Air has a cool setting and a hot setting, so choose which one you like. Y'all, this is the best wash day, shampoo day, wash routine I've ever experienced outside of a pixie cut, because I've had several pixie cuts, but this was close to it because a pixie cut, you got to dry your hair, you got to curl it, you got to do everything, setting lotion, sit under the dryer. This, you just unravel it. Even though what I've learned is keep your hair in those braids until it's fully dry, because the back of my hair, it was like sticking together when I was trying to take those out. And I was like, okay, I see the importance of braiding and banding because, whoo, Lord. And they say you have to do it for up to 1 year. Some people say 4 to 6 months. It just depends on how long it takes your hair to lock up, basically. But I think I'm going to do it for a full year. I might just do it until the end of time. I don't know. But the shampoo and how quick and easy it was made everything worth it. It put everything into perspective. I've been missing the ease of doing my hair. I haven't felt ease since I've been natural, honestly. Only when I've had braids. And braids are temporary and you take those out. So I was skeptical about my hair. But that shampoo just solidified everything. I'm feeling good, and the Amika, the Cure, left my hair smelling amazing. Look at it. I'm feeling good about the back. I feel great about the retie I've done. And look at my hair, y'all. This is my hair. This is my hair while it's still wet. And as you can see, I have grays. I have grays since I was in my 20s, y'all. And now they're just everywhere. So I'm not going to color my hair all the time because my hair, I wouldn't have edges. And I just want to take care of my hair. Now, y'all know a color-safe, chemical-free hair dye that will help my hair and will keep grays at bay for a long time. Let me know. I use Clairol, but I want to use something more healthier. And so I'm just using a mascara for now. I don't use it every day. Mascara works pretty well. That is a mascara from Milk, I believe. And I use it every now and then, not all the time. But now I'm using my hair growth oil, super natural. It's available on my Etsy. I have 4-ounce bottles, 8-ounce bottles, and I have a hydration mist that's available as well. The link is in my description box. Go ahead and use it, girl. And baby, did I forget about the slippage? Y'all saw the slippage in my last video. If you haven't watched it, go check it out. I had a whole lock unravel. And I'm just going to use some mousse in my hair just to define my curls at the end, because let's face it, I want a Microlocs so I can have curly ends. And I'm not ashamed to say it. Don't be ashamed to say what you want and what you prefer, okay? But anyway, that slippage can occur when you are washing your hair, and you don't want that to happen either, because that's more time for you to repair or twist it back or have somebody else do it. So the best way to care for your hair is to braid and band. I don't think it's a hassle. I look at my locks like they're in the infancy stage, like a newborn baby. You want to be so gentle with your hair. You want to take care of it. You want to give it the attention that it needs so it can just grow and be the best that it can be, right? The obsession with my hair is insane. That's the length while it's wet. And y'all, I just want to cut off that back of it. I just want to cut it off up to the shoulders. I just want to cut it off. But I won't look at it too much longer. Good thing I don't have to look at myself from the back. Look back at it. Look back at it. But that's the end of my video. Send it to a friend that needs to braid and band her hair because she's just messing it up. But thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share, all that good stuff. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, and this is my hair when it dried. The shrinkage is real. Okay, love you. Bye.